What's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. All right, so I'm gonna do a little voiceover. So on the previous video, we started painting this 350Z shell. We painted the interior charcoal gray or battleship gray. I forgot the name of it. So now it's time to paint the exterior. Me and my brother Eric started masking the whole car off. It was a bit tricky because the car has no window. So yeah, it's kind of tricky to mask the car off. But we managed to get it all taped up and ready for paint. In this quarter panel section, I am making sure my spray gun has the correct spray settings. Alright guys, so I just finished laying the black base coat. I let it sit for about an hour. I'm painting my garage, guys, so believe it or not, we do get some debris from the roof, from everywhere. I have my garage door open a little bit, so dust comes inside, and if you guys can see it, we have some little dirt. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm gonna hit it with the tack cloth, and we're gonna clean it off, and then we're gonna throw our clear coat. So this is the one I'm gonna be using. I really like this one. It's pretty affordable and it has a pretty nice shine to it. So I think this one's like 120 bucks, 120 to 150 for the gallon of clear and partner. And then a lot of people ask me all the time what kind of compressor I use. I used to use a Harbor Freight compressor. It's outside, and I just upgraded to this one. I got it for Christmas from my compa, 27 gallon, 200 psi. All the info's right here. So I don't know much about them, but this is way better than the one I was using from Harbor Freight. So shout out to my compa. All right guys, let's clean it up and then let's lay the clear coat. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here is the finished product. This thing came out clean. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, please drop a like, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.